So good afternoon everybody. Today we are going to see the puzzles. Okay. Let us see what is the puzzles in terms of distance, speed and time. So let us see the puzzles with these questions. Okay. The first question is what the rate of change of question. Okay. Can anybody know this? Speed. Can you comment right? Next one, when the speed is increased, what? When the speed is increased is what? How do you increase the speed? Acceleration. Yes, very good answer. So can you comment right here? The difference of distance between the start point and the end point. Okay, the question is what? The difference of distance between the start point and end point, which is given in this sixth number. So can anybody tell this answer? Yes, right answer. Next one, the speed in a given direction. The speed in a given direction. Velocity is right. Next one, graduation on an axis. Okay, what is the graduation on an axis?
Scale.
Scale. Yes, it is scale. That is what the graduation on an axis we can measure by using the scale. Next one, when the data produces a straight line paragraph, sorry, straight line graph, that is what here.
Linear.
Next one is what? Speed into time. Speed into time is what?
Distance.
We obviously know that speed into time is what? Distance. And we can also measure time with this help of this formula. Time is equal to speed by distance. Next one, distance divided by speed is what?
Time.
Next question we left out it was the horizontal axis. What is the horizontal axis?
Axis.
X-axis. Yes, we obviously know that the horizontal axis was the x-axis and vertical axis is what? Y-axis. Next one, when the speed is decreasing, what will happen? When the speed is decreasing, yes, you're right. When you increase the speed, it is what? Acceleration. When the speed is decreasing, it is what? Deceleration. Yes. Thus we solve the puzzle with the help of this speed, distance and time formulas. So the horizontal axis is what? X-axis, which is given in this x-axis, and second one is what? When the speed is decreasing, it is what? The deceleration, and third one is what? The difference of speed between the start point and end point is what? Velocity, which is indicated by this, speed. Speed. Next one, speed in a given direction is what? Velocity. And this graduation on an axis is what? Scale. And when the data produces straight line graph is what? Linear. So which is indicated by this pen line. And distance divided by speed is what? Time. So that is what indicated by this seventh number, time. Okay. At last, speed in time is what? Distance. Okay. Thus we calculated the formulas and we remember the formula by using this simple puzzle. By using this, we can apply the knowledge to anyone. Okay. So thank you all.